Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Ghazi Khan Jatoi from BBA 2K17, Sindh University Campus Ladkana. My topic is entrepreneurship. Assignment by Sarayaz Ali Metalo. Outlines. Number 1. Introduction to entrepreneurship. Importance. Why we study entrepreneurship. To competitor analysis. Importance. Objective. Why business needs to understand competitors. 3. Role of entrepreneurship. Number 1. Introduction to entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is the ability and readiness to develop, organize and run a business enterprise along with any of its increasing in order to make a profit. The most prominent example of entrepreneurship is the starting of a new business. In economic entrepreneurship, combined with land, labor, natural resource and capital can generate profit. The entrepreneurship vision a definitely by discovery and risk taking and indispensable part of national capacity to succeed in a ever changing and more competitive global marketplace. Importance. Correction of employment. Entrepreneurship generates employees. It provides an entry-level job required for going experience and training for unskilled workers include. It is the hub of important the provide new product, venture marketing, technology and quality of goods etc. and increase the standard of living of place. Impact on society and community development. A society becomes greater if the employment base is large and development of bring about change in society and promotes faculties like higher explanation, education, better sanction, favor slums, higher level ownership. Therefore, entrepreneurship assists the organization towards a more stable and quality of communication life. Why we study entrepreneurship? Entrepreneurship are often thought of in nation assessed to be different motivation and remonting the great possible excellent entrepreneurship can change the way live and work. If successful, their revelation might improve or standing of life living in short in additional creating wealth of their entrepreneurship ventures. They also create jobs and the continuous for a flourishing society. Entrepreneurship capital is defined as a region induced with factors can the correction a business and exert a positive impact in the region. Connect output regions with the higher level of entrepreneurship capital show higher levels of output and practical, while those lacking entrepreneurship capital have a technical journal lower levels of output and practically. The impact of entrepreneurship capital is stronger that of knowledge capital. Anyways, in that entrepreneurship capital plays a very important role in the production function model present. Why we study entrepreneurship? The following are 6 reasons why entrepreneurship capital is important to economy. Entrepreneurship create new business, entrepreneurs aid national income. Entrepreneurs also create social change, community development. The other side, entrepreneurs, the role of states. 2. Competitor analysis. A competitive analysis is a critical part of your company marketing plan. With this valuation, you can establish what makes your product or service inquiry in the therefore that you play up in order to act your target market. Evaluate your company by placing them in strategy groups according to how directly they compete for share of the customer dealer. For each competitor strategy group list their product and service, a growth pattern, marketing objective and assumption, current post organization and cost structure, asset weakness and size in sales of the computerized business. Competitor analysis. Competitor business answer questions such as who are you competitors, what production or service do they sell, what is each competitor marketing share, what are their past strategy, what are their current strategies, what types of media are used market products or services, how many hours per work do they purchase to advantage through the media used this market, what are each competitor strategy and weakness, what potential threat do your combination pose, what potential operation do they make available for you. Importance. The importance of competitor analysis in the what you can get from it. Inspire in and role of competitor analyzes your marketing and agency is a guiding hand arise when you don't have some insight, when you are trying something new, whether that's whole platform or is a future. Before you can perform competitor analysis, you needed to understand who you are competing with and how you need to correct their definition, your brand and how you want to if into market your offering and what makes your brand. Then you can ask the variety of online tools that are available. Look at who and what your competitors are. First, you want to know who lies in the space and how role the field. Determine who the high end brand and who the able performs brands and figure out who the report or who the standard. Objective. The competitive analysis objectives. 7. Explain competitor impact. 7.2. Discuss the role of combination product intervention. 7.3. Explain Porter 5-force model of combination. 7-4. Explain determined interaction combination. 7-5. Determine the critical particle customer. 7-6. Discuss the importance of intelligence. 7-4. Employee issues. Success. Strength. Think your company does sell qualities that study your company internal research such as skill, knowledge, staff, thought. Success is property, capital, productivity, etc. Weakness. Think your company think your computer to better than you. Research important until unique skill proposition opportunities. Understand markets for steps product. Few import in your area. Emerging new for products. Your sharing processing coverage of your company. Threats. Emerging, comparing, changing, visually environment, negative press, media coverage, changing customer attitudes to your company. 3. Role of entrepreneurship. Role of entrepreneurship in economic development. Capital formation, generation of employment, per capita income, regional communication of wealth, blend, regional development, resource mobilization, importation, standing of living, nation, self, reliance, harness, nature, resource, backward and forward linkage, sense of purpose. Role entrepreneurship. Wealth creation and sharing, create jobs, blend and region development, GDA per capita income, standard of living, export, community development. Role of entrepreneurship in economic development. Entrepreneurship help in creating jobs, employment. Entrepreneurship help in increase number of enterprise. Entrepreneurship promote healthy competition which leads to innovation in competition creatively. Entrepreneurship encourage in exploitation and utilization of natural resource. Thank you so much.